How to send large files using Google Drive. Hello everyone, I am Bishakha and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to send large files using Google Drive. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Generally, when you send a file through Drive, the maximum limit for sending a file is 25 MB, and the files above 25 MB will not be sent through Google Drive. So, to send the file, open Gmail firstly, and now tap on the Compose button you see there on the top left of your screen. Here on the bottom of the Compose tab, you will see little icons. Tap on the Drive option you see there, which is the triangular icon beside the emoji icon. Once you tap on the Drive option, a pop-up window will appear. From here, you will be able to send files in Drive. So, tap on the Upload option now and further tap on the Select Files from your device option. Now go ahead and select your file. As you can see, the file I am trying to upload is of 36.5 MB. So, tap on Open now. You will see the alert that as you have selected more than 25 MB to attach to this email, the selected attachments will be shared via Drive link, which is fine. So now tap on Upload and wait for the file to upload. Once uploaded, your attachment is all set to be sent. So enter your recipient whom you want to send the file to and also add the subject and further tap on Send, and with this the file will be sent. So this is how you can send large files using Google Drive. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and to subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.